Hey everybody, welcome back. So, working on Aiden's Fox Body, trying to get this thing up and running, and part of that is doing the brakes. So that's what I'm doing right now is front brakes on this car. Went and got brake pads and brake lines. Already did the rotors, but they're kind of rusted, so I'm gonna see if I could just clean those up, and probably gonna have to pull them off to clean the back. I'm not sure. So let's see what we're doing. Alright, so boom, the old brake line that I've cut before. And what's up, buddy? And the caliper, get the brake pads up here, and the other brake line. Arr! And Joe Pesci. What's up, Joe? Say what's up to everybody. You want to play with the ball? Alright, we'll take a break, play with the ball, and we'll come back and start working on the brakes on this thing. Man, I love this dog. What you doing, boy? So then he just keeps it away from me the whole time. Oh, I got it that time, didn't I, buddy? Oh yeah, I got it now. Oh, little boy. Got you that time, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah. You don't know them soccer moves. No, you don't know that. Yeah. Alright, let's get back in there and try to get these brakes done. Safety glasses on, we're ready to go. So to gather some more parts, I'm out here in my little junkyard out back, and I'll get like the bolts that I need for the brake line and all the other little things. There we go. One there and one there. Good to have a parts car, but it's gonna suck when I go to put this thing back together, if I ever do. Alright. Alright, let's make sure we get the holes right. So first hole after the windshield wiper pump, and second hole after the hinge on the passenger side. This one's got, I don't know what that is, but I'll grab that while I'm here. attached. Got that little, I think, like ground or something, tab, whatever that is. Got the vacuum line on there. Bracket off, just gonna clean it up in a minute now. Alright, out here in the boneyard, picking another one. Need this little bracket down here for the speedo. Alright, it's the little things that count. There we go, I got the speedo bracket, speedo cable bracket mounted in. So, filling this engine bay with all the stuff I can. Just transplanting it from parts cars out back up to here, and then checking all the stuff so I can make a LMR list, like positive battery cable. Definitely need a new one of those. So that, I need a speedo cable, and I think it's a few other things before I submit that order again tonight. But so let's take this thing. Definitely need 2 people for this job, but let's see if we can get it. Just had to put 2 hands on it real quick and give it a pull over. That one doesn't want to go down yet, probably because that one's up. That one's up. The paint's probably stopping it from going all the way down. I'll probably have to put 2 hands on that in a minute. But there you go. New hood seal coming right up. Go. Hood seals in. Grab something else, and just got the yellow old stalkers in. That was the one I had to finish up right there. And got the shock in. Looking good. Got everything on there. New brake line. New brake caliper. New brake pads, new brake rotors, got a little surface rust on them, but new lowering springs, new bushings for everything, and so now just gotta finish putting this inner fender in with the little snaps, and then I put the wheel on, and I had an antenna delete little thing here that I ordered from LMR, but I don't know where the hell I put that thing. Yeah, we're gonna play in a minute. Chill out. But there you go. One more thing done on the old Mustang. It's looking good, huh, Joe? He don't care. He don't care about this car. He just wants to go play. So, all right, we're gonna take a break, go play, and we'll catch up with you when we're putting something else on the old Stang here. Okay.